Good morning, guys. How are you? I'm here again, the teacher Natalia. Today, I am going to show you a short conversation where two people discuss about healthy food. Moreover, about unhealthy food that is not very good for us. I hope that you enjoy it. Okay, you are going to watch the following video, which is on YouTube. I cannot play it here, sadly. Uh, First, please go to this link and you can watch the video. You can watch it as many times as you need. Then watch, listen, pay attention, and take notes. Because in class, we are going to discuss in groups about the opinions that have each girl. I hope that you enjoy it. Have a nice day. Okay? You can go by here, but I cannot play because you're not going to listen. Okay? Then please go to the link. Bye bye. I see you later. Remember, if you need it, you can review the vocabulary about foods and drinks, and the grammar structure about likes and dislikes, the use of like or dislike, and moreover, remember, watch, listen, and take notes about this video. I see you in the next class. Have a nice day.